Hello students, how are you? Today we have workbook exercises, page 39, grade 7. Past continuous, affirmative and negative. Яғни өткен шақтағы созылыңқы өткен шақты айтамыз. Exercise 2. We were having dinner at 8 o'clock last night. We had chicken and chips. Бізде кешке сағат 8-де кешкі тамақтандық. Яғни кешегі уақытта точно айтып тұрғандықтан ол бізде past continuous болады. In this photo, we were visiting Mexico City. Бұл суретте біз Мексикаға барған суретіміз. Мұхтар was reading a magazine in class. He was studying. Look at this holiday video of my sister. She was swimming in a lake. You weren't listening to the teacher. You were looking at your mobile phone. Яғни сен мұғалім тыңдаған жоқсың, сен телефоныңа қарап оттың дейді. I was wearing a sweater yesterday because it was hot. Кеше свитер кидім, себебі кеше суық болды. They were cycling through Poland in June. They were driving. Next, write affirmative negative sentence past continuous. For example, I was walking across the park yesterday. Енді келесі, English was playing football an hour ago. They were climbing down the mountain at 7 o'clock yesterday. Олар кешкі сағат 7-де тауды өрмелеп түсті. She was not skiing this time last Saturday. Өткен сенбі осы уақытта ол шаңғы тепкен жоқ. Гүлфия and Ербол were swimming a half an hour ago. It wasn't raining this afternoon. You were sailing at this time last Sunday. Exercise 4. Past continuous'ты ашып, мына сөздерді қойып жазамыз. For example, last week my friends and I were studying at school and we were not listening to our teacher. Біз өткен аптада сабақ оқымадық мектепте, және біз мұғалім тыңдаған жоқпыз. We were having fun on adventure holiday. Jan and Tom were climbing down a mountain on their bikes and I was sailing across the lake. But my twin sister Nadia was relaxing, exciting things. She was in her room. She was doing at hotel with their friends and they were watching TV. Write about your last birthday. Write one affirmative, one negative sentence. Яғни мынау берілген уақыттарға өздерің сөйлем құрайсыңдар дейді. For example, at 11 o'clock a.m. I was helping my mom. I wasn't helping my mom. I was watching a TV. Next, at 1 p.m. I wasn't sleeping. I was having dinner with my family for my sister's birthday. At 4 p.m. I wasn't doing homework. I was playing with my friends volleyball. Next, geographical features. Яғни табиғи құбылыстарды жазып шығамыз. Теңіз, sea, mountain, lake, cloud, river, forest, және desert. Енді бізде келесі exercise 2-де мағыналарын тауып шығуымыз керек. This is a big place with a lot of trees. It is forest. This is a lot of water in one place. Бір жерде тұрған су, ол бізде sea, теңіз. This is a place at the top and bottom of the world. Pond. These are very high hills. Өте биік төбешіктер, таулар, mountains. This is long line of water and goes down to the sea. river. This is very dry place with a lot of sand and rocks. Өте құрғақ жер құмдармен бірге. Ол бізде desert, шөл. This is where water comes down from very high place. False. This is very big sea, ocean, things. The next exercise. Exercise 4. Write about place that your family visited or saw on TV. Яғни past time expression қолданып сөйлем құраймыз. Past simple қолданып. For example, a week ago I saw a TV program about the Myanmar desert. Last night I saw a film about a girl who liked sport. Next, yesterday we watched a cartoon about Hachiko деген сияқты сөйлемдерді құрап жазу керек. So we have finished. Келесі өте тапсырма бар екен. Write past continuous question. Яғни сұраулы сөйлем жасаймыз. Where was Arman going last night? Кеше түнде Арман қайда барды? They were having lunch 2 o'clock. Who is talking to Mariam? What we were doing in class last week? Өткен апта не істедік? It was raining yesterday afternoon. Яғни бұларға сұрақ жазуымыз керек. Алдына, мысалы, алдына қоямыз. Was it raining yesterday afternoon? Why were you climbing up that big rock? Келесі. Was Pavel eating dinner at p.m? Exercise 4. Past simple мен past continuous қолданып жазамыз. They were бірінші сөйлем. They were swimming across the river when the boat arrived. Anara was having a bad accident when she skied down a mountain in the Urals. She was skiing down. Was Ablay listening to the teacher when asked him a question? Мұғалім Аблайдан сабақ сұрағанда тыңдады ма? We were stopping at the Great Wall when we traveled through the China. You weren't looking at the road when you fell off your mountain bike. Were you driving when storm started? So we have finished. Goodbye.